First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see day 41 daily score booster questions starting with simplifications. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. First question, 672 divided by 24. I can see 12 here and here also. 12 5 times is 60, 12 6 times is 72 divided by 2 into 18. This will be 9 times. I can write 9 as 10 minus 1. So 56 into 10 will be 560 minus 56. So we get 504 is the answer for this one. Plus 153 minus 345. So unit digit is 7. 7 minus 5 will be 2. Okay. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 6 minus 3, 3. So answer would be 312. Option B is our answer. Next question. Here I can see 8 table. 8 100 times 8 8 times into 1296 divided by 36. I know 1296 as 36 into 36. 36 square value is 1296. So 1296 divided by 36 is, we get 36. So 4 2 times 4 9 times 2 50 times. 50 into 9 times will be 450. So answer will be 450. Option D is our answer. Next, here 140 square means 140 into 140 divided by 70 into 16 whole divided by 18 equals to 14x. So 72 times 14, 10 times 2, 9 times. So wait a second, it is not 18, it is 8. 2 4 times 4 4 times. So what we left is x value is 10 into 4 40. So answer is 40. Option D is our answer. Next we are going to see 42% means into 100 divided by 100. 12 divided by 100 into 1/4 of 1500. So these double zeros and these double zeros cancel. 4 3 times 3 2 times is 6. 3 4 times is 12. 126 into 15. 15 6 times is 90. 15 2 times 30 39. 15 1 times is 15 plus 3 18. 1890 divided by 100 means 18.9 is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next, fifth question. 12% of 15 150. So I'll replace this as 150% of 12. 100% of 12 will be 12 and 50% of 12, half of 12 means 6. So we get 18 from this one plus 62% of 800 will be, percentage and 2 zeros cancelled. 8 2 times is 16 and 8 6 times 48 49. So totally we get 4 0 4 1 5 514. Answer is option B 514. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Here we have 5 6 times 30 and we need to get 7 means 10 3 times. Minus and minus means plus and minus are the roots. Here 3 into 28. 3 into 28 will be 84. 84 means we need to get the 19 means 12. 7 times is 84. Minus and the plus means the roots are in positive. Here the bases are not equal. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 3 and this with 5. So 7 5 times is 35. This will be plus 60. This is minus 30 plus 30. So this will be minus 9. Okay, now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Next question. Here 20 into 12 will be 240. 240 means we need to get 31. I know 16 15 times is 240. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables. minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Okay, here 3 16 times, which will be 48. 48 means 12, 4 times is 48, minus and plus, so the roots are in positive. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 3 and this with 20. So we get plus 80 plus 240, here 45 plus 45, this will be plus 48. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Next, third question. Here we can clearly see that at the end there is minus, so there is no relation in between these two equations. We cannot able to find any relation, because here the roots will be positive and minus, means minus and positive are the symbols of the roots. Here positive and negative means negative and positive are the roots. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So this is why there is no relation between these two equations. Next, here 4 9 times is 36, and we need to get 15, 12 3 times, plus and plus, the roots are in negative. Here 12 4 times 48, 48, and we need to get 13. 16 3 times is 48. Minus and minus means plus and minus. Here bases are equal. So now by comparing, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next, here we have 52 and 3. So 52 3 times is 156. 156 means I can write this as 13 12 times is 156. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Okay, here in this case 15 and 40. Let's divide this as 5 into 3. This as 4 into 10. Okay, 4 into 10. Now by comparing these 5 10 times is 50 and 3 4 times is 12, we get 38. Minus and plus, minus and minus means plus and minus are the roots. Now here the bases are not equal. To make the base equal, we need to multiply 3 with 5, we get 15. So into 5, this will be plus 60. 5 13 times will be 65. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Okay, now we are going to solve wrong number series. Okay, it is clear that into 6 minus 1, it is into 6 minus 1, so it must be into 6 minus 1. 6 5 times 0 minus 1, we get 9. Okay, into 6 minus 1, and 6 times 54 minus 1 means unit digit must be 3 not 4, so this is our wrong number. Next one, here the difference between these two is 1 4, here the difference is 9, here the difference is 16, so here the difference must be 25, which is wrong here. So our wrong number is 60 is our wrong number. Next one, here we're going to see the differences. Difference between these two is 1, here the difference is 8, here the difference is 26, this will be 65, here the difference is 125. These are cube values, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, which are wrong, 5 cube. So these two are wrong, means our wrong number is this one. Next one, here we are going to make this as into 2 plus 2, so it must be into 2, 14 plus 2 16. Okay, here it is also into 2 plus 2, here it is also into 2 plus 2, so it must be into 2 plus 2 means 284 plus 2 means 286, not 285, so this is our wrong number. Next one, here we are going to see that this is into nearly into 5 times, 55 and 60 60 55, and we got a 54 means minus 1, into 5 minus 1. Here we have 2 becomes 12 means into 6, 6 2 times is 12 and 12 minus 1, so it must be into 7 minus 1. 7 9 times 63, 7 2 times 14 and 203 minus 1. Okay, we got the relation, so it must be into 4 minus 1. For 4 times is unit digit is 6 minus 1, which will be 5, not 4. So this is our wrong number. Okay, now we are going to see missing number series. Here we have these numbers. It is nearly into 5 times. 5 13 times will be 65. 5 3 times is 15. 1565. Here 1563. So it is minus 2. Here it is nearly into 5 times minus 2. So it must be into 5 minus 2. Next one must be into 5 minus 2. 13 5 times is 65, minus 2 will be 63. 63 into 5 times. 3 5 times unit digit is 5. 5 minus 2 will be, okay, we get 313. So answer will be 63. Option B is our answer. Next, here we are going to see the differences between these numbers. Here the difference is 18. Here the difference is 26. Here the difference is 38. So there is a gap of 8. Here a gap of 12. So here there must be gap of 16. 8 12 16. So here gap 16 means 54. So 158 plus 54 will be 212. So answer will be option A, 212. Next, third one. Here we are going to see this one. This is into 4, which will be 4060 minus 4. Okay, it must be into 5. 201020 minus 5. Here it is into 6, which will be 30 18 21 210 minus 6. This is into 7 minus 7. So the next one must be into 3 minus 3. 3 6 times is 18. 3 5 times 15 16. 3 4 times is 12. Minus 3 means 12165 is our answer. Answer is 12165. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see question number 4. Here it is clear that into 1.5 times is 18. Here it is also 1.5 times into 1.5 times. So let's take this is as 1.5 times 27 plus half of 27 will be 13.5. I got 40.5. So answer is 40.5. Next one must be into 1.5. So 40 and 20.25, we get a 60.75. So this is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next question. Here we have a difference of 42 here. Here the difference is 30. Here the difference is 20. Difference is 12. Here the difference is 12. Here the difference is 10. Here the difference is 8. So here the difference must be 6, which is 6. So 728 plus 6 will be 734 is our answer. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. Here are the inequalities questions. First, the concept we are using for inequalities is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, I say the flow from this side to this side. Let's see with the questions directly. First conclusion, the flow from u to t. From u we can reach to n. From n we can reach to t. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from x to k. From x we can reach to n. From n we can reach to t and k. So second conclusion is also true. Next, second question, the flow from n to u with everywhere equal to. The flow from n to u with everywhere equal to n. Where is n? From n there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from k to p with everywhere equal to. From k we can reach to m and c. From c we can reach to p. Here there is equal to and equal to. So second conclusion is true. Now we are going to see third question, the flow from t to j. From T we can reach to Q. From Q there is no possibility to reach to J. So first conclusion is false. Second conclusion, the flow from D to J with everywhere equal to. From D there is flow to K, only flow to K. So there is a missing of equal to here. So here we have equal to. So second conclusion is false. Now we have J here is same. If it is possible of for T and D is same, no. So this is answer. This answer is neither one nor two. Fourth question, the flow from B to F. From B we can reach to X. From X we can reach to Y but not to F. So first conclusion is false. Second conclusion, B is equals to F. It is not equal to. So second conclusion is also false. Okay, the answer for this one is neither nor. Okay, let's see fifth question. The flow from Z to T. From Z to T means from Z we can reach to V and E. From E we can reach to T. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from A to V. From A we can reach to V. So second conclusion is also true. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question, only a few O or K, some K or P, only P is T. So T is inside P and doesn't share with anything except P. Let's see conclusions. All P being K is possibility. All P can place inside K. It is not possible because of this T. T doesn't share with anything except P. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some O or T, some part of O is sharing with T. No, there is no relation between O and T in our basic Venn diagram. So this is false. Now let's see question 2. Only a few table is chair. Only a few table is chair. All chair is wood. Few wood is steel. Let's see conclusions. All steel are door. Okay, let's see conclusions. Some table is not a wood. Here we see not means we check all table can be wood or not. All table can place inside wood. It is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. Second conclusion, all steel being chair is a possibility. All steel can place inside chair as it is possible. So second conclusion is true. Next we are going to see third question. Some monitors are speakers. All monitors are mouse. Only a few mouse are keyboard. Okay, let's see conclusions. Some speakers are mouse. Speakers, mouse sharing some part. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion, no monitor is a keyboard. Here this is monitor and this is keyboard. Here talking about no. We check some monitor can be, keyboard is not. Some monitor can place with, can share with the keyboard is possible. Some case is possible means no case fails. Now we are going to see question number 4. Only a few kitchen or room. All room are house. All hall are tents. No house is hall. No house is hall. All hall are tents. Let's see conclusions. Some kitchen are not hall. Here we see not means we check all kitchen can be hall. All kitchen can place inside hall. It is possible or not? No, it is not possible because of R is inside H doesn't share with the hall. So all case fails. All case fails means some not case is true. Second conclusion, some tents are not house. We see not here. So we check all tents can be house. All tent can place inside house. It is not possible because of a hall. All case fails means some not case will be true. Next, fifth question. Some two are 3. All 3 are 5. Only a few 3 are 4. Only a few 3 are 4. Some 4 are wrappers. Let's see conclusions. Some 4 are 2. Some 4 is sharing with 2. In our basic Venn diagram, it is not sharing. So first conclusion will be false. No 2 is a 4. We check some 2 can be 4 or not. Some 2 can share with the 4. As we can share some part of 2 with the 4. Some case is possible here. So no case will fails. But here in our conclusions, some 4 or 2 is a positive statement. No 2 is a 4. It is a negative statement. Here the words are 4 and 2. But here the suffixes and prefixes are not same. But in the case of some and no, it is exceptional that the suffixes and prefixes must be in reverse order. Then also it will be the either 1 or 2 is the answer for this one. So answer for this one is either 1 or 2. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. 8 boxes are kept one above another in a stack. It is assumed that no other boxes are kept in a stack other than the given boxes. So boxes in a stack puzzle is given here. Let's note the rough statements. Okay, given that T2 is kept immediately below T5. So immediately below 5 is 2. Only 3 boxes are kept between 2 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 8. Or else we have 5, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 8. So we got 2 possibilities now. As many boxes kept above T, above 8. Above 8 is same as below 1. Okay. Next, 6 is not above T. 6 is not above T means above 3 means it is below 3. 6 is below 3. Only 3 boxes are kept between 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 there are 3 boxes. Next, 5 is kept 3 boxes above 4. 3 boxes away from 4. So 1, 2, this is 5. Either possible. Okay. Next, only one box is kept between 1 and 3. 1 and 3, there is only one box. Okay. Now we need to find the solution for our puzzle using these rough statements. So starting from these two possibilities, here we have 8. If we have 8 on the top, there is below 1. We have 5 here and 5 here. If we have 5 here, then we can get 4. So we cannot able to place 4 on the top. So 1, 2, this is the place for 4 in this case. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can place 1, 2, 4 here. We cannot place a 4 here. So this is only possibility for place of 4 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are completed. 8 above is equal to 1 below. 8 is on the top, so 1 is in the below. Okay. Now this is a stack completed here. Let's see what we left is 3 and 6. Wait a second. We have 4 means we can write 7. 1, 2, 3. This is the place for 7. 3 and 6. 3 below is 6. So this is the place for 3 and this is the place for 6. Okay. By this puzzle is not satisfying this statement. So this puzzle is this possibility is false. Let's see this one. Here we have 4. 4 means we can write 7. We cannot able to write a 7 below 1, 2, 3. We place 7 in the top, or else we can place 7 below also. 8, 1, 2, 3, 7. So now we again got two possibilities. Okay, we have completed this one. 8 above is same as 1 below. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the place for 1. Here we have 8 here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 below 2 means 1 above is also 2. So this is the place for 1. And we left with 3 below is 6. So this is the place for 3 and this is the place for 6. In this case, this is the place for 3. This is the place for 6. And here we have statement that 1 and 3 in between only one person. This is the statement that satisfies here, but in this case it doesn't satisfy, so this case fails. So our solution is this one. So what we get is 5, 2, 1, 4, 3, 8, 6 and 7. This is the solution we got. Let's see the questions that are asked for this questions. The question asked is, if all the boxes are kept in numerical order from top to bottom, then how many boxes remains in unchanged? Top to bottom in numerical order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So only one number is doesn't change. So answer will be option B. 1 is our answer. Next question: which among the following box is kept adjacent to 1? Adjacent to 1 is 2 and 4. Adjacent to 1 is 2 and 4. So answer will be here only D is given. 4 is given here. So option D is our answer. Next, as many boxes kept between 2 and 8 as below. 2 and 8, there is between 1, 2, 3, 3 boxes. So below means 1, 2, 3. Below 3, there is 3 boxes. So answer will be option A, below 3. Okay, next, fourth question. Fourth question is, who among the following boxes kept exactly between 5 and 6? This is 5 and this is 6. Eliminate this one, this one, this one, this one. This is our answer, option 4. 4. T4 is in between, exactly between 5 and 6. So answer is option E. How many boxes are kept above 4? Above 4, 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes are kept. Option B is our answer. By this, we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.